A Klover repayment can fail if there aren't enough funds in your linked bank account. The connected account is no longer valid, or the payment couldn't be processed by your bank. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find the reason for the failed repayment, how to fix it, and what to do if the payment still won't go through. If Klover says your repayment failed, start by checking the balance in the bank account linked to your Klover profile. If there weren't enough available funds when the payment was attempted, your bank may have declined the transaction. Once funds are available, check whether Klover will automatically retry the payment, or whether the app asks you to make the repayment manually. Next, open the payment or linked bank account section in Klover. Make sure the correct bank account is still connected and active. If your bank account was closed, replaced, or disconnected, you'll need to reconnect an eligible account before another repayment attempt can be completed. It's also worth checking whether your bank account has any restrictions on electronic payments. Some banks temporarily block certain transactions for security reasons. If you suspect that's the case, contact your bank to confirm whether the repayment was declined on their side. Now make sure you're using the latest version of the Klover app. Updating the app can resolve payment-related bugs and ensure you're seeing the most current repayment status. After updating, close the app completely and reopen it before checking your account again. If Klover provides an option to make the repayment manually, follow the instructions shown inside the app instead of waiting indefinitely. Completing the repayment as soon as possible can help prevent additional account restrictions or delays with future advances. If the repayment continues to fail, even though your account has enough funds and your bank confirms there are no restrictions, contact Klover support. Include your account email, the date the repayment was attempted, screenshots of any error messages, and confirmation that your linked bank account has sufficient available funds. Giving those details in your first message makes it easier for support to investigate the issue. While waiting for a response, avoid disconnecting and reconnecting multiple bank accounts, unless Klover specifically instructs you to do so. Frequent account changes can make troubleshooting more difficult. To recap, verify your available bank balance. Confirm that the correct account is linked. Check for any bank restrictions, and follow Klover's repayment instructions if a manual payment is available. If everything appears correct but the repayment still fails, contact Klover support with complete account details. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more Klover fixes, troubleshooting tips, and app tutorials.